Hey everyone, so this will be a very quick unboxing of the newest iPad mini. I think I did this a while back, but I ended up returning that one. But now I've been wanting an iPad, so I bought the mini. It's on sale for $400, normally $500. This is the Starlight and 64 gigabyte storage configuration. Got it from Best Buy today, along with a Lenovo M10 Plus. Which was quite a bit cheaper than this. But $400, figured why not? This thing is nice and powerful. We'll come back to that in just a moment here. It's either this or the base model iPad from Target. They had that on sale as well. So now this, I believe, has right USB Type-C. It actually gives you a charger in the box. That is always nice. And of course you get your paperwork and your sticker in there as well. But that's not what we are here to see. And put this cover back on. So this thing is decently small. So according to the box, it is now 8.3 inches, which I believe is a bit bigger than they used to be. Again, this is Starlight, which honestly looks more silver than anything. Depends on how the light is hitting it. Especially where I have it right now. There's definitely a bit of yellowy to it, but it's more of a silver, I think, than anything. You'll see a flash on your camera. It does stick out a little bit. Where you got fingerprints on it from barely touching it. So let's see, on top here, looks like 2 speakers. I think one of them is fake. You guys can let me know. So volume rocker here. Big old, not touchscreen. Big old power button there. Got your connector right here for keyboards and whatnot. Seeing 2 more speakers. Again, I think one of these 2 is fake. I think it has dual speakers, one on each side. One is just for looks for whatever reason. USB Type-C. Don't really know why they do that with the speakers. Nothing there. So yeah. So again, very quick unboxing. That's all this is going to be. Just like I said, I will be making more videos on this soon here. I'm excited to see this. It's already fingerprinted up. I know other. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I appreciate ya. Hope y'all have a good one. See y'all next time. Goodbye.